hoteli.
Komiti mochung'ne arita e od bura mamalo kotelnegi gi jakom mar komiti no Mburu Kahangara oyango fuok manie sekta mar arita mosethiro arita e gwenge ma Kaluo kane gilose kaunti ma Kisumu bang' timo limbe tesendo bila ma Kisumu Central mar nono chal mar arita e kaunti no. Ne giyango ni nok mar kwano mar obila kuonde mag jot ne obila onge mar nyamburko e moko kuom tesendo bila e kinde mamoko e moko kuom midhiero ma thiro chenro jiwo arita e counties go. Limbe makamano mane gichako kod Homa Bay gi Migori giyango mar biro keto omenda e budget e konyo teko ma osekel gi midhiero e counties go.
Biro as members of the National Security Committee from Parliament. Wangi the challenges, Wangeni Kisumu has had a lot of challenges. Nitie the issue of goons who are being hired by politicians who interfere with people. There's a lot of insecurity all around the country and the Nyanza region. So those are the things Mwabiro Mondewangi, as leaders, we could solve the problems.
Some of the issues that we have realized that, for example, this building, which was built some time back, will need some very serious repairs because the upper roof is leaking. The other one is that we have also been appraised on the situation in the entire Nyanza region, where, of course, we're having strength of the police. That is, the number of police officers are not adequate. We have very many stations without police vehicles. And the issue of the police housing is also something that we have gathered. Some areas where we have not been able to operationalize police stations, police divisions within the Nyanza region as well.